नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, यापूर्वी आपण SSC मॅथ्स 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 हा भाग पूर्ण केलेला आहे. SSC मॅथ्स 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 सी हा आपण घेणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये मी 4 प्रश्न घेणार आहे आणि शेवटच्या भागात देखील 4 प्रश्न घेणार आहे. म्हणजे आपला हा पेपर पूर्ण होणार, पहिला पेपर. नाउ सी दिस क्वेश्चन. That's question number 4 to show that A -4 -7, B -1 2, C 8 5 and D 5 -4 are the vertices of rhombus. Now, very important property for the rhombus is that all the sides are congruent. By using this property, we prove that the given vertices are the vertices of the rhombus. Now, see here, that is A, which is the -4 -7, B -1 2, C 8 5 and D 5 -4. Now according to the distance formula, that is AB is equals to in under root of -1 minus in bracket -4. बरेच विद्यार्थी मित्रों, हा -4 लिहिताना इथे -4 फक्त लिहिलं जातं, परंतु या दोघांचा डिफरन्स मायनस साइन इन ब्रॅकेट -4 and next y2 minus y1. Therefore, that is in bracket minus and minus sign. Now, what is happening here? Minus minus become plus. Therefore, in under root of, you will get, write one more step. That is a -1 plus 4 bracket square plus 2 plus 7 bracket square. Now you will get 2 plus 7 means what? 9 minus 1 plus 4, that is a 3 square plus 9 square. Therefore, AB is equals to 9 plus 81 and therefore AB is equals to root of the 90. What about the next BC? Again the same thing. X2 minus X1 is what? 8 minus in bracket -1 plus Y2 minus y1. Therefore, in bracket you will get 5 minus 2. इथे निगेटिव्ह साइन कोणालाच नाही, म्हणून ब्रॅकेट टाकायची आवश्यकता नाहीये. Therefore, BC is equals to in root of minus minus become plus 8 plus 1 means what? 9 square plus 5 minus 2, that is a 3 square. Therefore, you will get 81 plus 9. Therefore, BC is equals to in root of 90. What about the next CP? That is in the same way, in under root of 5 minus 8 bracket square plus -4 minus 5 bracket square, that is a -4 minus 5 is -9. 5 minus 8 means what? -3. -3 square is plus 9 plus 81. Therefore, CD is equals to root of 90 last. That is the AD in under root of, again, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and that is a 5 minus in bracket -4. म्हणून प्रत्येकदा नंतरच्या टर्मला जर मायनस साइन असेल तर ब्रॅकेट करणं जास्त गरजेचं असतं, आणि म्हणून हा मायनस आणि मायनस बिकम प्लस. दॅट इज अ 5 plus 4 is a 9 minus 4 minus minus become again the plus, that is -4 plus 7 means what? You will get the 3 square plus 9 square, that is 81 plus 9. Again you are getting, that is a root of 90. AD is equals to, and if you see from 1 2 3 4, that is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. That is, all the sides of the rhombus are the congruent. By using this property, we have proved that the given vertices are the vertices of rhombus. Therefore, all the vertices are the vertices of the rhombus. Now next, a storm broke a tree and the tree top rested on the ground 20 meters away from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. Find the height of the tree. Now we'll see the answer of this question. आता इथे बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रों, AB हा सर्वप्रथम एक झाड घेतलेले आणि ते C या पॉइंटला ब्रेक होत आहे. ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर AC ची जी लांबी आहे तीच कोणाची आहे तर ती CD ला आहे आणि त्याने कितीचा अँगल केलेला आहे मेजर ऑफ अँगल इज 60 degree. Now we have this is the triangle. Now the distance BD we have given that the BD is equals to 20 meter. In right angle triangle BCD. Now first we'll find out the tan ratio. That's the tan 60 means what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. BC upon BD. Tan 60 means what? Root 3 is equals to BC upon 20. Therefore BC or CB is equals to 20 root 3 meter. Again next tan 60 sin 60 is equals to CB upon CD. Now see this, sin 60 opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is CB upon CD. But what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 means what? Root 3 upon 2, that is equals to the value of CB, that is 20 root 3 upon CD. Now make here the cross multiplication. हा CD इकडे numerator ला येणार, divided by 2 इकडे multiplication ला and divided by the root 3. Now root 3 get cancel. Then you will get that is a CD is equals to 40 meter. Now next AC is equals to CD and that is equals to 40 meter. Therefore AB is equals to AC plus CB, that is 40 plus 20 root meter. Therefore the height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3. This is the height of the tree. Now see this. That is first of all we find out the BC. Then we find out AC. Their total. We apply the two ratios, tan ratio and another is a sin ratio. पुढचा प्रश्न geometrical construction वर घेतलेला आहे. That is question is like this. Draw a circle with center P and the radius 2.1 centimeter. Take point Q at a distance 5.2 centimeter from the center. Draw the tangents to the circle from the point Q. Measure and write the length of tangent segment. Means what? You have to draw the circle of first of all radius 2.1 centimeter. From the center, you take the point Q. That is the distance is 5.2. असा घेणार आहोत आपण. जब सर्वप्रथम circle which is the 2.1 centimeter and next take the point Q at a distance. Now what is next? Draw the perpendicular P as the center. Draw the perpendicular to this PQ. Means what? पोलारिटी रोटेट होणार P वरती आणि निम्म्यापेक्षा जास्त अंतर घेऊन वरती कंस आणि खाली कंस करणार. नंतर Q वर पोलारिटी वरच्या बाजूला आणि then you will get the like this. Then take this as a center. Suppose this is the O, then OQ as a radius or PO as a radius. Then draw the circle like this and point of intersection, and you will get the tangent from the point Q. Now we'll see, this was the rough figure. मी हाताने काढलेल्या माउसवर काढण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. बघूया आपण आता उत्तर. बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रो, P हा केंद्र घेऊन बरोबर ते सर्कल ड्रॉ केलेलं आहे आणि the point Q is at a distance of 5.2 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular by taking the center as a P. Draw the arc up and down. Then by taking the point Q as a center, then draw these two arcs. Then point of intersection. Suppose this is a point of intersection. From this point M to the point P or from the point M to the point Q, draw, take in this radius and draw this arc like this. Then you will get the tangent to the circle from the straight points. Also measure the length of the tangent segment. Means what? Length AQ and length AQ both are the same, and that is equals to 4.8 plus or centimeter plus or minus 0.2 centimeter. म्हणजे 0.2 सेंटीमीटर आपल्याला प्लस और मायनस चालू शकेल असं त्याला म्हणायचं. ठीक आहे, त्या प्रकारे आपण हे जॉमेट्रिकल कन्स्ट्रक्शन पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. नाउ विल सी the next question. Now next question, question number 5. Solve any one of the following. AB and AC are the two chords of a circle whose radius is r. If P and Q are the distance of the chord AB and CD from the center respectively, and if AB is equals to 2AC, then do that. 4Q square is equals to E square plus 3R square. सगळ्यात जास्त मार्क असणारा प्रश्न विद्यार्थी 4 गुणांसाठीचा प्रश्न. दोन कॉर्ड्स घेते आहेत, त्यांचा डिस्टन्स P आणि Q आहे. मात्र एक कॉर्ड ही दुसऱ्याच्या 2 टाइम्स आहे. मीन्स व्हॉट? AB is equals to 2 times AC. Suppose that we consider that the AC is 8. Now we see the answer. Now these are the two chords AB and AC. AC is a smaller one, therefore let AC is equals to A. Then AB is equals to 2 times their distance. The smaller chord have a bigger distance, that is Q. And what about the chord AB? It's at a distance of P. R is the radius. Now here segment OM is a perpendicular to chord AC. OM is perpendicular to chord AC. ON is perpendicular to chord AB. AM is equals to MC is equals to A upon 2. And what about the AN? AN is equals to 2A upon 2. 2 get cancelled is equals to MB. Now in triangle OMA, what is in triangle OMA? That is AO square plus AM square plus MO square, and that is equals to, substitute the value A as it is, AM A upon 2 bracket square plus MO Q square. What about the next? Next is AO square is equals to AN square plus NO square. That is equals to AO square is equals to A square plus B square. Now these two distances are equal. Therefore their right hand sides are also equal. Means what? A upon 2 bracket square plus B square is equals to A square plus B square. Therefore from one end to A upon 2 bracket square plus Q square is equals to A square plus B square. Now simplify this. A square upon 4 plus Q square is equals to A square plus B square. Multiply on both sides by 4. Then you will get A square plus 4Q square is equals to 4A square plus 4P square. Now what is again happening? 4Q square is equals to 3A square plus 4P square. Now there is one more thing, that is now this is a 4P square. Therefore P square 3A square plus 3P square. This can be written as like this. P square. Take P square upon it like that. No? Then we will write that is 3A square plus 3P square. From these two, take 3 as common, and again you will get A square plus P square is what? R square. Okay. 4Q square is equal to P square plus 3R square. We have completed this problem. बघा पुन्हा एकदा रिवाइज करूया. AC आणि AB या दोन कॉर्ड्स आहेत. त्या Q आणि P त्या distances वरती from the center. The length of AC is small a. Length of AB is A. Draw their perpendiculars. Then you will get the triangle OMA. What is the triangle OMA? This triangle, that is AO square is equals to AM square plus OM square, and another triangle, that is AO square is equals to AN square plus NO square. AO is common for these two triangles. Equate it, and after equating, one more thing is very important. If we simplify this, still we are not getting the answer, but A square plus P square, that is equals to R square. By using this property, we prove that 4Q square is equals to P square plus 3R square. विद्यार्थी मित्रों, या प्रकारे आपण याच्यातला तिसरा भाग हा पूर्ण केलेला आहे. मॅथ्स 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 सी. यानंतर मग शेवटचा भाग आपण पूर्ण करणार